cat over there. He goes tearing off out of here. Just hanging out on the porch, doing whatever, I'm not exactly sure. Today's the 11th of March, 2021. Just getting my first real kind of look at the lawn. And we are still in a state of, I'd say, emergency in terms of snow here. So I'm just taking a look at some of my beds here to see if spring has sprung. Not seeing any action here in terms of the tulips. They're some of the first ones to go. The tulips and the daffodils. I actually don't even have any tulips because the deer just eat them all. So right now would be a good time to start cultivating the beds. And look at that. Lo and behold, some daffodils springing up. So that's the first sign of spring for me. Let's see if we can find anything else. Looks to me like I got a little bit of perennial action going on here. See that right there? That's new growth. Perennials. So this snow is still pretty thick. Oh, this needs to be fixed. So I'll need to wire that up still. So this thing's Crimson Spire Oak. It's only supposed to get like 15 inches or 15 feet in diameter. So 7 feet this way and 7 feet. So I'm stepping on all this ice over here and it's hollow underneath. So we got some major ice issues here. Let's go over here and take a look at the lawn here. Just taking a quick observation of the lawn. This is pretty much just about the first time I've come out here to take a look because there's still so much snow here, but probably in about 2 weeks it should be, I would assume, completely gone. You can see these tracks here. If you can kind of see this, the kids had come through here in the fall with their four-wheeler and they were kind of towing each other around with a snowboard. So the lawn is looking a little bit, look at that, you can still see the stripes from the mower where the grass is laid over right there. That's pretty cool from last fall. So I keep this right here. This is to prevent people from driving over the corner right here. And you can see a semi came through here and you can see the tire track right there. Looks like some sort of a tractor trailer tire came through here. You can see that right there. This here looks like the snowplow came through here and knocked this over. So that was there and you can see the tire track through here. So I'd say the best form of action would be to come through here with the weed blower, blow all this junk out of here.
I suck at this.
Yeah, he does. He sucks at it. There. Pull the trigger. That's cruise control, pal. Cruise control. So I need this fella here, Bartholomew is his name. We're gonna get him to blow all of the stuff. This is his very first blow job, he says. So let's see how he's doing over here. So I'm over here inspecting his work. I'm not gonna say he can do a better blow job than I can. He's done a pretty good job. He's just not as good as what I could do. Through here with the weed blower, blow all this junk out of here. And then I want to put some of that humic acid down, the granular humic acid. I love that stuff. Doing it first thing right in the spring. If I could go get some, I would actually even put it right down, right on top of the snow. It'll melt the snow faster. I'm not seeing any further damage. You can see I put up these orange pylon stakes or whatever. See what we got over here. What happened over here? Freaking loser. Oh, look at this freaking loser dirt bag. What is this crap? This I can clearly see and tell what happened there. We got dumb idiot people driving semi trucks right here. Truck damage there. My pylon little street marker right there. Upon further examination, look, we've got a truck that came through here, right there, and it comes through here, and then it looks like it's like a big truck of some sort. I'm gonna take a look at the camera and see what exactly happened so I can get to the bottom of this and point my finger at them right in their face. I think that would be the best form of action there. But that's a pisser if I've ever seen one. But it's pretty cold out here. I need to go get a jacket on. But I want to get the snowblower out and I want to do a couple of passes with the snowblower. see if I can get it to go right through this heavy, thick area and remove some of this snow. Let's see what happens here. All right, so let's see what we got going on here. I picked this up just for this type of occasion, for a Toro type video. I just wouldn't want anybody to get hurt or anything weird to happen. So I picked up this guy. I can't remember where I got this. Maybe down to the Harbor Freights or something like that. But I just want to make sure that I'm safe, that nobody's gonna get hurt in any way. I'm liking the way this fits, so that's pretty good. It's pretty freaking cold out here. So we should just be able to put the choke on, turn the throttle on. You're only gonna want to prime this 3 times. 1, 2, 3. Kidding me? This thing shoots far. It's so freaking rad, dude. It like goes far. We should get the tape measure out and see how far she goes. All right, guys, so here we go. We're gonna get a real user's experience on how far this thing can throw some snow. All right, so we got the snowblower there. And I can safely say, oh, I don't know. I'm pretty sure it sprayed right here. I'm gonna do it one more time and we'll get a better reading. So right there, she sprayed right to there. Let's go get the tape measure and we'll find out how far it went. The first thing worth mentioning is look at the depth of this. Let's check this out. We have a depth of 12, 13, 14, 15-inch depth right here. I think this does about 24 inches. Hook that on there like that. Measure this with a trusty Logan measuring device. So I'm pretty sure it went to right here. So that's freaking awesome. 47 feet right there. It's 48. 47 feet conservatively, 48. Pretty easily. That's quite impressive. For wet and heavy snow that this has been melting for 2 weeks plus. And I'm just getting this first look at the lawn here. She looks good. I can get myself a quicker melt off and get my humic acid down. The granular humic acid is really what I'm wanting to put down. Need to go get some. Got the opportunity to do it. This is not something you're going to want to pass up. Truck trying to run over my freaking camera. This guy's like, what the crap is this guy doing? Snow blowing his lawn. Look at his face on it. Got the dog trying to get in my freaking way. Cars coming through. So I'm going to go look at this footage from the damage done earlier, and I'm going to call that guy out on it and be like, you sorry sucker, don't do that crap. You're an idiot. Well, that's what I'm talking about. Look how far that's spraying right there. See that? So hand warmers and all, that is an awesome machine. And I just don't want anybody to be getting hurt. You're gonna wanna make sure you take all the safety precautions. Make sure you wear your reflective gear, safety glasses, long pants, gloves, hat, and a long sleeve t-shirt. So that's gonna pretty well wrap it up for this video. I'm gonna go out there and see if I can find the footage from the loser that did the damage over there. And if I can find it, and if it's the neighbor over there, I'm gonna knock on his door and be like, hey, I got you on camera here, and I just need to make sure that you don't do this again, because you're a freaking idiot. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video. I'll see you in the next one. I found the footage, guys. It's a freaking Lowe's delivery truck for this a-hole neighbor over here. He's like, oh yeah, let's order some furniture. He comes up here and he's like, oh yeah, I'll just freaking grind my gears. First, he thinks he's so cool, he could pull up on my parking thing, which is annoying, but it's okay. And then he freaking comes up on the lawn because, oh, I gotta get some furniture delivered. That's a piece of freaking crap. So he pulls up here, grinds his gears right here, and causes that. And then as he pulling out of here, he decides, oh yeah, that's okay if I just clip the guy's lawn. What a POS, man. That really chaps my hide. Oh, he's gonna get it. If I ever freaking see that driver over here, I'm gonna be like, hey, look at this little clip, you freaking moron. I'm gonna show it to him and rub it in his face. Oh, I would love to go over to that neighbor and tell him my freaking mind right there. Ooh. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching my video, and I'll see you in the next one.